Hey everyone! How's it going? My name is Jack, and in this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Stirling Free Power before you decide to buy it. I also have some important warnings, so make sure you watch this video until the end to avoid wasting your money. Important warning. The first thing you need to be aware of is where you buy this product. Stirling Free Power is only sold on the official website. To help you out, I've added the official link in the video description and pinned it in the first comment below. My review and experience. I'm here in the corner of your screen to share my personal experience and help you decide whether Stirling Free Power actually works. What is Stirling Free Power? Stirling Free Power is an innovative renewable energy system that uses a Stirling engine, a heat-powered engine that efficiently converts external heat sources into mechanical power, which is then transformed into electricity. How it works. This advanced system harnesses heat energy to generate sustainable and efficient electricity for your home. Key benefits. Save money, reduce or even eliminate your electricity bill. Eco-friendly, minimize your carbon footprint with clean energy. Easy to use, no technical skills needed. Simple step-by-step setup. Perfect for everyone. Ideal for homeowners, day enthusiasts, and off-grid setups. Pricing and special offer. You can get full access to the Stirling Free Power Blueprint for just $49.95 at a special discounted price. Key features. User-friendly, simple assembly and operation, even for beginners. Eco-friendly, uses renewable energy, reducing harmful emissions. Versatile, works with solar power, waste heat, and other sources. Cost-effective, can generate free electricity for your home. Low maintenance, reliable power with minimal upkeep. Scalable, power anything from a single appliance to your entire home. Safe and sustainable, no hazardous fuels required. Proven technology, based on the trusted Stirling engine design. If you're interested in Stirling Free Power, don't forget to check out the official link in the description below. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more reviews.